I have something for you. Yay! Oh, kiss ang mami. Kiss ang mami. More? More?
No.
More?
No. Wala na.
Meron pa. Meron pa. I have something for you. Tcharam! Yay! Yay! Yummy!
This one is
And then, I have something for you. Tcharam!
I like this one.
You like that?
Yeah.
More! I have something for you. Tcharam! And then more? More?
No, not that.
No? Meron pa.
No, not begin.
I have something for you. Tcharam!
I like this.
You like that? Chocolate? Wow! What's that? What's that? A chocolate? And then more. I have something for you. Cheddar cheese. You like that? More? More? And then another more. Cheddar!
This.
That chocolate. Another more?
One, I like something for you. Kela. What's this?
What's that? Cookies. You like it?
No, it's not this.
And then
Sabi ka ba?
last one. I have something for you. A chocolate wrapper. Ah, try it. Yummy.
Sarap?
Ha?
Sarap?
Hindi masarap? Yummy yan. Yummy yan. Mmm.
I like this cookies here.
Sabi ko that. Hmm? Buti na lang, malilit yung binili ni Mami.
I like this.
You like that? Open it.
Mommy, again.
You can?
Like this.
Ano sasabihin kay Mami? Pala si Mami.